How to fix Facebook not showing pictures. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great. So let's start without wasting time. First of all, make sure if your internet is working properly. Now once you are sure, go back to your home screen. Now keep holding the Facebook icon and tap on app info. Now tap on data uses. Now make sure the options disable mobile data and disable Wi-Fi are turned off. Now go back, click on force stop, tap on storage usage and tap on clear data. Now tap on delete and restart the application. Also go to the Play Store to check for updates. Open up Play Store. Now simply at the bottom right corner tap on the search icon. Now search for Facebook. Now simply update the application. Now once you are done with that, go back to your home screen and restart Facebook. I hope this will fix the issue. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question about a special topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.